Welcome student. This is our part 1 of class 9 chapter 1 matter in our surrounding. This contains 25 MCQs from 1 to 25. Please like and subscribe our channel to get regular update. So student, study well and master your skill. Let's start. Which of the following is considered matter? And the correct answer is C, air. Which of the following occupies space and has mass? And the correct answer is B, lemon water. What are the characteristics of a matter? And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Matter has a space between particle. Matter has mass and occupies space. Matter can be broken into atom. Therefore, the correct answer is D, all of the above. Which of the following is not a state of matter? And the correct answer is D, energy. The smallest particle of matter is called. And the correct answer is A, atom. Which of the following particles of matter has the most energy? And the correct answer is D, plasma. Ancient Indian philosopher classified matter into how many basic elements? And the correct answer is C, 5. The Panch Tattva in ancient Indian philosophy include which of the following element? And the correct answer is A, earth, water, air, sky and fire. What is the process called when particles of matter intermix on their own? And the correct answer is A, diffusion. In which state of matter do particles move the fastest? And the correct answer is D, plasma. Which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? And the correct answer is A, solid. Which state of matter has no definite shape but a definite volume? And the correct answer is B, liquid. Which state of matter has neither definite shape nor volume? And the correct answer is C, gas. What happened to the kinetic energy of particle when the temperature increases? And the correct answer is C, it increases. When particle of a substance mix with another substance due to their movement, it is called. And the correct answer is B, diffusion. Which of the following solid can change its shape when force is applied but it return to its original shape when the force is removed? And the correct answer is B, the burr bend. Which property of a metal allow a driver to cut through water in a swimming pool? And the correct answer is C, fluidity. Which of the following substance has the highest compressibility? And the correct answer is C, gas. The force of attraction between particles is strongest in. And the correct answer is A, solid. Which of the following can diffuse into liquid? And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Solid, liquid, and gases all can be diffused into liquid. When you pour water from one container to another, it. Correct answer is A, changes its shape. Which process allow aquatic animal to survive underwater? And the correct answer is A, diffusion of oxygen. Which one of the following describe the gaseous state of a matter? And the correct answer is A, high compressibility, high fluidity. High compressibility and high fluidity. Which of the following statement about matter is correct? And the correct answer is B, all matter is composed of particles. And the last question, question number 25, ice float on water because. And the correct answer is B, ice has a lower density than water. Thanks for watching MCQ CBSE. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.